A business operates EC2 instances across two AWS regions using custom AMIs, all managed by AWS Systems Manager. A critical zero-day vulnerability has been discovered, and the company needs to identify which instances are currently unpatched and perform the necessary updates. Which method achieves this goal while minimizing operational effort? Option A, create a patch baseline within Systems Manager Patch Manager, run a scan to detect unpatched instances, and initiate an immediate update using the Patch Now functionality in both regions.
Option B, use AWS config to report on missing patches, create a baseline in Patch Manager, and apply the updates to the affected instances using the Patch Now feature. Option C, set up an Amazon Event Bridge rule to capture Systems Manager compliance notifications and automatically trigger a patch baseline execution on any identified instances. Option D, employ AWS config to find the instances that need updates, manually build new AMIs containing the patch, and replace all impacted instances. This question tests your knowledge of native automation tools for infrastructure maintenance and lifecycle management.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager is the native service designed for automating the patch management process across EC2 instances. This approach is the most efficient because it utilizes the built-in scan functionality to identify non-compliant instances based on a defined patch baseline, and allows for immediate remediation via the Patch Now feature, which keeps the workflow consolidated.
Regarding the other options, Option B introduces unnecessary overhead by involving AWS config, which is redundant when Patch Manager already provides identification capabilities. Option C is overly complex, as it relies on reactive event bridge triggers rather than the direct, orchestrated workflow of Patch Manager. Option D is incorrect because it involves a manual, destructive process of replacing instances, which creates significant operational risk. Exam tip: always prioritize native end-to-end features over multi-service configurations for efficiency.